I was at my Savers today and check out what I found. You guys know what this is? It's not a bazooka. This is a bike rack. The brand goes by Thule. You want to be on the lookout for these. This is a 2-carrier bike rack. I paid $8.99 for this at Savers. I know I have a price tag around here somewhere. There you go. You can fact check me all day long. These are great to flip on Facebook Marketplace, okay? These are big, these are bulky, so you're not gonna wanna put them on eBay or Amazon. But if you come across these Thule bike racks or bike carriers, whatever you wanna call them, give them a quick inspection, right? Make sure everything looks good. Make sure the straps aren't broken off. There's no pieces chipped. Sometimes that happens because these do get beat up on the back of a vehicle. But this will be an easy $50 to $70 flip. And you can find these all day long at the thrift stores. I see them regularly, and when it comes to the warm weather, that time of year, these things flip fast. Be on the lookout for them.